Today, we will discuss Cursor and Aider. Both are created to assist developers in writing and altering code more effectively by offering AI-powered recommendations and automated code modifications. Both seek to comprehend the context of the code in progress, enabling more precise and pertinent support. Although they may utilize various methods to reach this goal, the main aim remains consistent. Both instruments are primarily dedicated to assisting with the software development process. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Cursor is crafted as an AI-centric code editor, which entails a profound incorporation of AI support within the Integrated Development Environment or IDE. It highlights a seamless GUI-oriented experience, incorporating features such as in-editor chat, code generation, and straightforward diffs for review. It emphasizes offering immediate help throughout the coding process. Cursor seeks to simplify the complete development process within the editor, facilitating tasks such as code alteration, creation, and comprehension. It includes features that enable it to maintain the context of the entire project. Aider functions mainly via a command line interface, offering AI support through terminal engagements. It emphasizes a more targeted, session-oriented method for AI-aided code editing. It is highly customizable and enables the use of various LLMs. Aider is ideal for developers who favor a terminal-focused workflow and seek greater control over interactions with AI. It is built to excel at implementing code modifications across numerous files. It serves developers who are adept with the command line and prioritize flexibility and control in their AI instruments. All in all, Cursor provides a more integrated and visual AI coding experience, while Aider offers a more flexible and command line driven approach. The choice between them depends on the developer's preferred workflow and coding environment.